Hi folks, continuing with my rant. Best Buy is announcing it's opening new stores to a new retail format. The format is called digital for small format store that caters to customer in a way that better caters to the changing consumer habits. The new store is contained in 5,000 square feet of retail space, much smaller than the average 38,000 square feet. It has a curated showroom of products across the most popular category of customer tech, including home theater, audio, computers, headphones, wearable, fitness, smartphones, cameras, smartphones, smart appliances. They will not carry full-size home appliances like big box stores. The store will also have a geek squad area where customers will get consultation, setup services, and store will also handle the online orders within the store or outside using new pickup lockers that will be available even after store hours. If a consumer wants to buy a TV, they can scan the QR code and pay on the mobile device. The employees will receive the order digitally and retrieve them from the stock room to hand it over to the customers. In 2021, as you know, the company shut down all its remaining Best Buy mobile stores. These stores are even smaller and can be found inside malls, competing with wireless carrier stores selling mostly smartphone plans, mobile devices, accessories, and various portable electronics. The first such store is set to open in Monroe, North Carolina. It's also using similar experimental in Charlotte, North Carolina, that's equipped with round-the-clock pickup lockers, more geek squad service centers, and premier home theater and luxury appliance experiences. Good to see Best Buy trying new stuff. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.